back to our channel. I'm Vanessa, and if you're new, we would love if you will subscribe down below and join our little family. As you guys can see, Paola is not with me right now. She's actually at school at a Zoom meeting. She's actually in the other room, so yeah, she's not gonna be in this video. This is gonna be me, guys. For today's video, it's a super exciting one, guys, because in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. I'm so freaking excited, guys. I have been wanting to upgrade to a new laptop for a while now. So I basically had the MacBook Air. It was a 13-inch 2014, but I have been having trouble lately with uploading videos to YouTube because of the memory, and it just was lagging too much. It was like getting frozen and stuff. So I just wanted to upgrade to a new laptop, and I finally was able to save my money to get one, and I'm so excited for it. Laptop, don't get me wrong, the MacBook Air was a pretty good laptop. Little guy was with me throughout my very first YouTube videos. This is where I edit everything, and it really helped me like for college and pretty much everything. It was a pretty nice laptop. Don't worry, guys, this little baby is going in good hands. I'm actually giving it to Paola, and yeah, just gonna be taking good care of her. So with that being said, now let's get to the MacBook unboxing, the moment we all have been waiting for. So this is my new MacBook Pro. It's the 13-inch, and basically the one that has the new Touch Bar and Touch ID, so that's exciting. Bunch of new stuff that I'm so excited about. I got the 16 gigabytes memory, 1 gigabyte memory, so I'm so excited about that because it's perfect for editing my YouTube videos without any problems. Oh my god, I feel like it's Christmas. Let's open this little guy up. So I just opened it up, so now open her up. This is the first thing. It's so pretty, guys. I have never had this color before, and it's just the perfect like black matte color. So the box comes with the little charger right here, and it also comes with the instructions and the plug in right here. And yeah, that's basically everything in the box. I actually bought a case for my new laptop, but it's coming tomorrow, so it didn't come today. That's sad, but I still want to take this little thing off. I don't know, maybe I will stain it or something, but I just want to take it off. So now, for the moment we have been waiting for, guys. Let's take this little guy. Oh my god, guys. It's so pretty. Look at this. The color, it's so pretty. This is a little lighter, the MacBook Air, because it's thinner, as you guys can see, and this is my new MacBook Pro, and it's a little bit thicker, but let me see if they're the same size. They're supposed to be 13-inch, and they're not the same. As you guys can see, the MacBook Air is a little bigger, and this is supposed to be 13-inch as well, so I don't know, but it's still a good size. But I don't know why it says it's 13-inch. If this is 13-inch, my MacBook Air, and the new one is 13-inch as well, so I don't know why they're not the same size. So now let's open it up. Okay, so it basically comes, ooh, logo. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh my god, guys, so excited. This is what the new MacBook looks like. It's really pretty, guys. I'm so obsessed with it. Let's see, we have to install it first, so let's see. I'm gonna put English, so we're gonna put United States, continue, and then it's asking me for my internet, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna connect it. I guess it's going, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put don't transfer. I'm just gonna restart it like a new one, and then I'm just gonna put agree. So I'm just gonna name my laptop and my password. Let's see, what can I put? By the way, I'm just seeing the little touch bar right here. I don't know how this works. Oh my god, what did I do? I'm just gonna figure it out as we go through. But let's see, my password, I'm just gonna put and I'm just gonna click continue. Ooh, the Touch ID. It says use your finger to unlock your Mac and make a purchase with Apple Pay. Start by placing finger or thumb on Touch ID. So I'm just gonna, where is it? Right here. This one. So I'm just gonna place my finger. Okay. So it says it's ready. So my Touch ID is ready. So continue. Choose your look. So it says light. It says dark and auto. So I don't know which one. Which one should I get? I'm just gonna put light for now. Or should I put dark? Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna put light. Maybe I can change it later. Hopefully. Continue. And then True Tone Display your Mac. Continue setting up your Mac. So let's see. Oh my god. Look at this. So basically last night I just set everything in my laptop, like putting on my files and pictures from my previous laptop before. Also changed my picture right here. So as you guys remember, it had like a little, it was like a trumpet or something. But yeah, I just changed the picture, and I also have my fingerprint, so now I just can go in with my finger. And as well, I added like my Final Cut Pro right here and my Google Chrome as well. And I added this little background right here, which I think is pretty cute. I got it from a YouTuber. I don't remember her name, but I will leave her in the links below so you guys can check her out. She does like this free backgrounds, which I think it's pretty nice because they are pretty adorable. I think they're so cute and so my aesthetic. If I go to Google Chrome, I changed the little background right here, and I just put this little like cloud purple pinkish one right there, and I think it's pretty cute. I also added my Zoom app for my online classes. I still have to figure out like how to use the little touch bar right here. It has like all of these different things, and I believe you can change it to however you want to. Like if you want, I don't know, like different stuff right here, you can change them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That was everything that I did for my MacBook Pro. I hope that you guys like my little unboxing, and I'm super excited to continue using it. And if you guys want to see like what's in my MacBook Pro, feel free to leave it in the comments down below, and I will be glad to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in our next one. Bye guys.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming.